Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back to i-channel yami. Usahleli nesalokazi intombi endala, ugogo wenu isalokazi esihle nkosami idakhi elihle. So bantu abadala, namhlanje sizokhuluma ngento ebalulekile that a lot of us are actually taking for granted. Isibongo into ebaluleke kakhulu when it comes to African spirituality, or when it comes to spiritually, or when it comes to a person, because that's your identity, that's who you are. Isibongo sakho. You know, uma uzalwa noma uzaleka, noma when you are formed in your mother's womb, you're not given a name yet. However, your surname is already attached to your DNA, to your blood. Right? You conceive today. If you conceive ungashadanga, ungaqaqanga kahle ngesintu, ungathelwanga ngenyongo, already it has been decided ukuthi wena mhlambe uyingane kaDlamini, you belong to your mother's side. If wena umama uyakhetha namhlanje akakazi nokuthi pregnant and she is married, already it is decided ukuthi wena uyingane kaSithole or uyingane kaMfukeng or uyingane kaAngazi. It's decided, right? Then maybe mase umama ka pregnant kana sathi yo, I'm wondering if it's a baby boy or girl. Bona, be it gender, your surname has already been attached to your DNA. Isibongo sibalulekile, right? So when you phahla, you must know which surname to use. Yeah, but for Mina, example, I grew up, Mina personally, knowing that both my parents are married. Born are married. Marriage certificate, it's even there, I've seen it. And they got married even before I was born. So I grew up using my father's surname. I discovered that I've got a gift. I pashat, I did all these things. I went to the waters, nothing was happening. Only to find out, no, child, when you pasha, you are busy calling your father's surname. And you don't belong to your father, right? And the first person was like, no, ganjani, my parents are married. So I didn't even bother to ask umama ukuthi hayi girl, nishadile na, because bashadile I know. Second person, third person, I'm like, no, let me ask. Only to find out ukuthi my dad lobolad half, and they decided to go sign. Akaqedanga malobola, abathelananga ngenyongo, kodwa ehome affairs, they are married. That thing, it's not a child's play. Izophambanisela impilo ungabelieve. Ukubangwa Yizidalwa, it's not nice. It's something that I don't wish on anyone. And I don't blame abazali bethu, because abazali bethu nkosi yami basindiswa badeda eintweni zesintu, and now we are left to pick up the pieces. Impilo yakho ayihlangani. You thinking ukuthi hayi bangigadla bangishaya ngemithi, no bangidlela, no, shawa umuntu. You don't, when where you are, you don't even belong. It's even worse. Mine, it's even better. It's even worse if ukhule kubabakho osebenzisa isibongo sakhe kanti ubelonga kabamalume, only to find out growing up khabo babakho maybe bayenza imiqimbi, bakuphahlele emsamo, bazokuphambanisela izinto worse. Mina I was even lucky ukuthi vele kabo babambe bangangiphahlele bebangayenzi lutho. So maybe that's why somewhere somehow ingang-affectanga to an extent efana nabanye abantu. Just to give you a scenario, ne? I think mina ngoba vele ngumntana abantu abadala, so they knew ukuthi no, once lathi intando niyophambanisa yonke into, and we don't want, right? My dad took us, me and my sister, saye emakhaya, safika, hayi uyazi futhi emakhaya kumnandi. Yo futhi benginenkinga ke, ugogo mawufika emakhaya baphaka endishini lezi ze enamel. Ipapa elingaka nenyama engaka. I used to complain ukuthi ayibo ipapa engaka nenyama engaka. Ah guys, and masifika basiphakela ngathi no mina ayi ipapa engaka, but hey wena engathi hayi ngeke ngilidle mina ipapa leli. Even if I were to share with my sister bengesilqede. So mind you elami ngiyi-1 nosisi wami unelakhe kathi hayi fine bayenza into zabo, sihleli vele erondweni kababa sihleli. Hayi mazithi ntambama they are calling us ukuthi siye emva kwendlu kagogo bayophahla shuthi bagaye utshwala, right? Hi, okay. My sister goes out. I'm the last one to go out. So as I'm going out, because bekungena, okay, that time bekungena gesi yabo, so yimloyo ngiwisa ikhendlela maliwa lishaya ngathi liqimile. I go out, I'm like okay, let me go. Siyafika hayi bayaphahla. Then I don't know bagcaba usisi wami la. Okay, they were doing whatever they were doing there. When it's supposed to be my turn, sibone not even if I ukuthi you can take a bucket uqime. Umlilo wawusubambe lobutshani lobu be roof yerondo. Irondo was on fire. Hey guys, yasha, even our clothes which were inside zasha ben. Guys, azange mina basangenza lutho. And when I look back, no. Abantu bami, they were like, no. Yelengani nabantu abadala. Ayithi mina ngazi ngiyingane. Nabantu abadala lokho bayenzayo bayosiphambanisela into zengane. You understand? And ibhlungu leyo nto. Because ma uya emsamo, yes, I know a lot of people bagijimisa ukuthi guys fanele ube nomsamo phahla, but there's a correct way of doing it, because once wamisa one step, child, into zakho ziyaphambana. Once wabiza amadlozi are wrong, izinto ziyaphambana. Believe you me not, ziyaphambana. And it's not even nice, because you grow up, your parents don't tell you these things. And even with my mom, when I first approached her, she was like, no, shatile. Hey, you know, parents are defensive. Yabo, parents are defensive. And it's very difficult as a child if you want answers and you not getting them. And the people who have answers, back dinegela, babona ngathi wena, you think you know too much, when are you tapping in what bona they ran away from. You understand? They ran away from these things. And they don't understand that these things are affecting me. These things are affecting me. You were able to turn a blind eye and say, mina I can't, because maliza gimand seliza ukuthi no generation sesewa maningi lama generation bebasibaleka bona le siyakubamba ntombazana. Yabo? And maybe it was okay for umama abaleke idlozi, then idlozi limchithela umshado, idlozi lenze ingane yakhe A1 maybe iziphambanele. She was okay probably ngokuthi ahlale emkhukhwini. Mina I'm not okay. My age, I went to school. My life was going. You understand? Do you know how painful it is ube nama assets, then ignore those, then papa house wants to be repossessed, marriage ends, a lot of things are happening. I'm like, I could have said, I don't want that. And I don't want that for my kids, because I've seen what it has done to me. So angifuni mina ukuthi abantwana bami, they must go through the same pain that I went through. You understand? And of which it's something that mangbuga. Yabo, mangbuga kunomunye ubaba who's my spiritual father, and what he give me ubhuti kunjani man, because ngathi akusumuntu right. And vele ubhuti wami ngathi vele astarts like it hit me ukuthi, child, you have a brother. Like guys, mina like mina, I forget ukuthi I have a brother. Mina guys, I don't wanna lie, I forget because we don't have a relationship, and ngikhule ukhuliswe ugogo ke khabo baba. So now lo muntu ukhuliswe khabo baba, ukhulele emakhaya. That means yonke into bekayenza uyenze khabo baba and akabelongi khabo baba. And umntana womfana, it's even worse. So idlozi lizomshaya. And when I look back, I'm like, Mara, is there something that I can do probably to assist him? And I can't force. Yabo, now it's all about whatever my mom did or our parents did, they did because they thought at the time it's beneficial for us, the kids. Also myself, whatever that I'm doing now, I'm doing what's going to benefit my kids. What's going to be good for my kids. Ukuthi angifuni bahlupheke. Uyabo. Ngoba if my brother's life was to be successful, abe right, abe umntano right, obvious uyenzani uyokhulisa isibongo sakabani sakababa. Uyoshada ashade ngani ngesibongo sikababa. Uyophahla umuzi wakhe aphahle ngani ngesibongo sikababa. So vele into zakhe zizophambana ukuthi kanjani ukhulisa umuzi kanjani kababakho. You don't even akayenzanga into that he was supposed to even do. So that's how painful it is when I look at him and when I think of him. Ukuthi angazi, I don't know. It pains me, but unfortunately impilo. You know, and yeah, so into isibongo, guys, it's very important. Never take it for granted. Isibongo sibalekile. Isibongo can close iminyango for wena. Isibongo can open iminyango for wena. Right? So it's very important. So I'm gonna make another video after this one. Ngijule ngesibongo. Ngifuna ukujula ngesibongo. I want to jula. Ukuthi sometimes it might not be father, mother. There are other factors which are very important, which it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. Let me make another video. See you into my next video. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Emakhosini bayede leseni khanya qamako.